Okie dokie. We're going to take this little beaut out for another spin and we're going to test it and we're going to see how fast it goes. But I'm going to give you a hack. Okay, I've got everything rigged up nearly ready. It's my phone. That's for the speedometer. You can just about see that. That's fine. Yeah. So the hack is, make sure your tyres, this is for beginners, right, not professionals or anybody else, it's just for beginners. Make sure these tyres are pumped up rock hard. And this isn't, look, it's spongy. And that will cause drag on the road, seriously, and it makes a massive difference. Alright, you will know about it. So, even though it's an electric bike, you will get more miles per leco. That's a new word, leco, by the way. So I'm going to pump these up and then we'll take this little beaut for a spin again and see how fast we get out of it. So I'm jumping on at 16 stone. Yeah, I said on the last video 17. I don't know why I said that. I'm 16. So I've checked today. So right, yeah, so make sure your tyres are pumped up really well, nice and hard, and it'll be faster and you'll get more miles per lek. All right. Okay, so I've just cycled down here. You know, I told you about pumping the tyres up. What a difference. Right, so we're going to do a test. I've come off road, not off road. I've come to a road where I know it's safe. So I'm going to do a downward run. Come in there now anyway. So I'm going to do a downward test, so speed, and then an uphill test for speed, carrying my weight. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Right, so I'll flip this around, put it on GPS, and then we'll give it a go. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying my best, all right? So I don't know where my head's facing. So we're going to start off, and we're going to switch her on. Hold on, switch it on. Oh, if I turn the battery back off, 2 seconds. Must have done. Oh no, you have to initialize the battery. Sorry. There we are. Right. Okay, right, she's on. Ready to go. So we'll go to first one, start pedaling. Wait for the motor to kick in. Here we go. So that's first. I'm not helping pedaling, I'm just coasting along. Hope you can see this. Okay. Second mode. A load of cars there. This is virtually on the flat, if you can see. And now top mode. I have to watch these chipping so I'll go flying. A bit bumpy, sorry about that. So 16 stone and we're travelling now at 15 miles an hour. We're topping out at 15. Look. Oh, I have to stop then. Right, still pedalling, picking back up again. Top gear. Pedalling slow. If it doesn't work on the camera, I'll do it again, I don't mind. A slight incline. I'm not going to stoop down. Yeah, slight incline. And we're going to come down to a decline now. There's the decline. Watch out for the bumps. 15.5. And she's sort of stopped coasting out. Sort of the engine has given. 17. Oh, 18. 18.6. Okay. So she's kicking back in at 15. Yeah, so we're back in again now. All right, we'll turn around and go uphill and see what happens. Whew. Alright, let's pause there. I hope you can see that okay. I hope so anyway. Okay, so back down to first mode. Oh, sorry. Turn around. And there you go. Look at that, it's like climbing Everest. It's not, it's so simple. Look at that, beautiful. They have nice bales. Look at the countryside. Oh, it smells nice. Anyway, back to this. Here we go. I do hope you can see this, because it's fun. Right, first gear. Now we might have to leave it in second to get up the hill, but we'll see. So, all right, motor's kicked in. I'm just pedaling to get going, and then I'll just let the motor pull me. All right, let's try second. All right, it's pulling me. I'm not, it's called assist, but I'm not pedaling to assist. I'm just pedaling to keep the gear engaged, or the motor engaged. Okay, so we're climbing at 11.5. All right, top it up to 3. So top. Oh, she's struggling, look. But we're still going. So if I pop down to second again. Right, second, assist. I mean, this is effortless though. I'm climbing what, 9 miles an hour? Gonna hit the flat again. She's picking up. I don't know if you can hear this, if not I'll do a running commentary anyway. So I had to disengage. Oh, sorry about the wobbleness, there's some big potholes. Right, third, top range, pedaling. Here we go. Oh. You don't have to pedal much to keep the motor engaged. Just gently, look, if you can see that. Okay, 14.1. A little bit of wind resistance. 15. So she's a 15 mile an hour. And that's pretty good. We'll check the battery when we get back as well. And believe me, I cannot pedal at 15 miles an hour on a single speed bike. Right. Okay. This is my pedal speed. If you can see that, I have to watch where I'm going. Right, here we go. They're beautiful, isn't it? Might get one of these. Imagine going all this like this all day. Disengage. You can see how rough it is a bit. Motor's kicking back in again. Hope I'm not boring you. Right, stop pedaling, disengage motor, drop it back down to number 1. Because we're going to hit the main road in a minute. And pause the video. There we go. Hit the main road. Second. Whoop, whoop. Whoop. Third. Miles an hour, 14.3. Comes an island. Instead of doing 24, I'm not. There's a car behind me. I bet he takes me. There's an island coming up. See? Can't wait, can they? Never mind. Anyway, carry on pedaling. Okay, 14.1. I hope this has come out and the sound. 14.6. So it's a 15 mile an hour. Guaranteed. Yeah. Alright, we'll stop and we'll check the video when we get back. 14.7. Slight incline. Nothing much. But that is comfortable. Look at that. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Can you guess what it is yet? 14.9, 15, there you go. Okay, right. battery's still full. It tells you here as well. Yeah, look, battery's still on high, so nothing, didn't use anything. Did about 4 mile. Brilliant. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Take care.